Okay, I am going to show you how to make sure your work is turned in from the ecosystems assignment. So here is my daughter's pretend fifth grade account. And you can see here she has the ecosystems assignment just as you do. Here is the reading passage, and here are the questions. So of course you want to read first. Read, read, read. Yay, yay, yay. Keep that passage up and then go click on your ecosystems. You should still have this up in your tabs. Then click on the quiz. And then you have your quiz right here. You will put your name in, you will do your questions, whatever it says to do. You drop your down, do. And then once you got, before you do anything, before you turn that in, do make sure you're going back to your reading passage, because I'm pretty sure every single answer is in your reading passage. So once you have done all of your reading passage or your questions, you hit submit. As you can see, Aubrey, I didn't really do this, so I'll just make this up. I'm not reading these. Do not copy these questions. I'm just putting this in here so it shows how it looks. And then here you could view your score. Because the teacher doesn't have to do any grading on this, you can view your score right away. Then you're going to hit this X. Now you want to make sure this reading passage shows in your to-do list as it's done. So you go, close it, and then you've already done this, so you don't have to worry about it. If you click on it again, you're going to be able to do the quiz again. But I don't know how your teacher set that up. It might just say one time. What you want to make sure you do is at the end, hit the word turn in. It's going to ask you, do you really want to? So you turn it in as well. Now you have officially turned in your Google comprehension questions and your slides. So if I go in as a teacher, which I have to be a pretend teacher in this classroom, and I go in to check on my daughter's work here, this is me as a teacher, what I'm seeing. I'm seeing that Aubrey has turned in her work. That's what it's going to show me. So this is what the teacher wants to see, and the earlier part of the video where it says turn in, that's what you want to see. Don't be afraid to ask me any questions. This is sometimes a bit confusing for everyone.